What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on Samsung Galaxy A05. So if you have forgotten the right unlocking pin, password or pattern, in this video I'll show you how you can reset the phone. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to open up the emergency call section, and then you press and hold the power button and then the volume down button together. So combine the two buttons together. So when the phone turns off, you have to switch to the volume up button. Want to switch to the volume up button. Then if the phone turns on again and show the Samsung logo, then you should release the power button. So let's wait for the phone to show the Samsung logo. So once the Samsung logo comes out, I'm going to release the power button and I will keep holding on the volume up button. Now this should boot your Android phone into the recovery mode. So from here, all you want to do is to use the volume down button now to scroll down to wipe data or factory reset. So press the power button now to select the option, and then from here use the volume down button to select factory data reset, and then you click on the power button to select the option. Now this should start resetting this phone. Now when the reset is complete, you should get a message like this: data wipe complete. Now quickly press on the power button now to reboot the phone, and then you wait for the phone to load up the setup menu. Alright, so when the setup menu is up, all you want to do is to select your right setup language and then you press on start. So here I'm going to leave it at the default option English, and then I'll click on start. Here I'm going to access the license agreement, then I'll click on agree. Here I'm going to skip these options. So from here guys, you can decide to create a new unlocking pattern, pin or password, or you can decide to skip it. Now in my own case, I'm going to skip this option because I wouldn't like to set up any lock type during the setup. I can actually do that later, so I'm going to click on skip. Alright guys, so that is a simple way on how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A05 if you have forgotten the right pin, pattern or password without using a PC. Alright, so if you enjoy watching this video, I would like you to give the video a thumbs up. Drop down a comment in the comment section, let me know your feedback about this tutorial, and if today is your first time of coming across our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for future tech support video just like this one. Alright, so with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.